So class, in English we have already finished A family words, E family words, right? So today now we will start with I family words. Okay, what is the sound of letter A? The sound of letter A is eh. Okay, you have to open your mouth, eh. And the sound of letter E is eh. Okay, just the way of pronunciation is different, but we can listen the same sound. The sound of A is eh, and the sound of E is eh. Okay, and now we will learn I family words. Okay, so what is the sound of letter I? E. Okay, the sound of letter I is E. I told you all the vowels has two sound. One sound is short sound and one sound is long sound. Right now, whatever the sound we are learning, that is short sound. Okay. We'll wait for 1-2 minutes and then we will start. And yes, class, did you take the printout for your Hindi class, Hindi worksheet? Next class is your Hindi class, right? Yeah. So you have to take the printout of your Hindi worksheet. We will solve that worksheet in the class. Okay. So let's take the attendance. Okay, we can change the name, class. We can change the name in this week, right? We can put new name from E family words. Okay, now you have to choose a name from E family words. Yes. Just a minute. Wait. I will tell your name and you will tell me your name. Okay, the new name from E family words. Just give me a minute. Class, just a minute. What? Okay. So, Arav, you will tell me your name. Arav. What is your name? You have to tell me from E family. Arav. Come on fast.
Elephant.
Huh?
Elephant.
No start. I'm telling you E family words. You have N, Ed, M from that family.
M.
I'll put your hem. H-E-M hem. Okay? Chalo. Ayansh, tell me your name.
Bow and bed. Birds.
Bed. Okay. Bed. Danish, are you there? Danish, your name. Danish, tell me your name from E family word. Come on fast.
सैन थोड़ी होता है एस ए डी आता है मैट बोलो
Mad, M-E-D, mad.
मैट
Ma'am, that is from A family. I'm telling you E family. I'm putting your fed, F-E-D, fed. Okay?
मैम ही सेड मैट एम ई
Acha, Matt. Okay. Gauri, tell me your name.
Jam.
Jam.
G-E-M.
Jam. Okay, got it. Hate, tell me your name.
Man.
Man. Okay. Hriday is not there. Himay, tell me your name.
जोर से बोल. Mat, mat. No, and man. पर मैं में at family.
Oh, it is already done, ma'am. Man is done, taken by hate.
Okay. चलो.
Come on, fast. Hime. I am put Ted. Okay, TED. Ted is okay.
उसको man चाहिए. MEN man.
A man तो already hate ने ले लिया है, ma'am. So I can't change that.
Already ले लिया.
Okay, I am putting your Ted. TED. Ted.
वो
Okay,
ऐसा
Hime.
होगा and pen.
Okay, pen is fine. PEN pen. Kia, tell me your name, bacha. Kia, you have written red. Right, Kia?
Red.
Ha, red. Okay. Khanak, what about you? Khanak, come on fast. She's stuck, I think so. Pakhi, you have written pet. PET pet. I am putting Pakhi your pet. Right? Okay. Now, Laksh is there? No, Laksh is not there. Khanak, please write it in the chat box. Khanak, please write it in the chat box. Nivan, tell me yours name. Nivan.
Jet.
Very good. Jet is nice. Prayag, what about you, Prayag? Fan. But a fan is from A family words, not A. You have to choose it from E family.
No. मैम आप ही कुछ बोल दो.
Wet. VET. Wet is okay?
Okay, done. Say yes.
Khanak, pet is already done by Pakhi. आप pet नहीं ले सकते. Yanvi, Jam is also done. Yanvi and Khanak, please tell me your new name. Shlok, tell me your name.
Aditi.
Red is also done. Alit, you can take peg. Shlok, you can take peg. PEG peg.
Bag.
Okay. Shiven, what about you? Jet is done, bacha. Now choose and red is also done.
Get.
Acha, get. Okay. Vedika.
Keg.
Very good. Keg. Now Yanvi, tell me yours. Sam. Okay, Sam. Fine. Khanak, what about you? Khanak, you are only left one. Khanak, tell me your new name. Pet is done, Khanak. कोई और नाम बताओ. Pet is done. Leg. Acha. Okay. So here we are done. Arav ham, Ayansh bed, Danish mat, Gauri jam, Heth man, then Himay pen, Kia red, Khanak leg, Nivan wet, Pakhi pet. Okay, Prayag, I am keeping you wet, WET wet. Okay, wa at a wet. Then
Okay.
Shlok peg, Shiven get, Vedika keg, Yanvi Sam. Okay, these are the words for your attendance for this week. Okay, chalo, now we will start with our I family words. I am sharing you the screen. We can start with that. The sound of I is E. Okay, always remember the sound of I is E. Igloo. Then insect. What else? Ink. Very good. Chalo. So now here we are starting with I family words. Okay?
I correct. સાંભળે તું વાત?
Kia, please mute your microphone, bacha. Okay. Now I, B, ib. Okay, the sound of letter I. Vedika, please pay attention on the screen. The sound of letter I is E and the B is B. E, B, ib. Okay? E, B, ib. The first word is B, ib, bib. B, ib, bib. When a boy, a small child, infant is wearing a bib, okay? During having a eating something, they wear that ib. That is called bib. Then the nib, your pencil, pen, anything, the pointed thing, that is called ib, nib. So ba, ib, bib, ib, nib. Then the skeleton, you can see this, that is called rib. Okay, the bones, rib. So these are the words from IB, ib family, bib, nib, and rib. Now the next family is ip. Okay, ip. Now next word which is starting from ip is the ip, dip. Okay, when we are eating anything and we are dipping the food, for example, if you have a french fries and you are dipping it into the sauce, okay, tomato ketchup, so that is called dip. Okay, so the ip, dip. When you are drinking something and you are taking a small sip, okay, so that is called ip, sip. The ip, dip, ip, sip. Then we have hip, ip, hip. Okay, can you see the picture? That is called ip, hip. Then your pinky, ready, ip, lip. Okay, ip, lip. Ip, hip, ip, lip. Then your pencil lip, the pointed thing, that is also called ip, tip. Okay, ip, tip. And if you had something and when you are tearing that, that is called ip, rip. That is called ip, rip. For example, I have this paper and I'm tearing it, so that is called rip. Okay, that is called rip, tip and rip. And yes, of course, this is called ip, zip. Ip,
Zip. मेरी
right?
दीदी की टी-शर्ट पे ये है.
Okay, so zip. So what are the IP words? IP family: dip, sip, hip, lip, tip, rip, and zip. Okay, these are the IP family, ip family words. Now the third family which we have, that is IP, it. Okay, the sound of I is again E and the sound of T is T. Eat, it. Okay, let's see the word starting from it family. Okay, so you can see the picture, you first aid box, that is called it, kit. It, kit. Okay, it, kit. Now when you have a ball and a bat or anything and you are hitting with that, that is called hit. Okay, it, hit. It, hit. Kit, hit. if you have an apple or any fruit or anything, if you are taking a bite, that is called it bit. Okay, it bit. Then if you are lighting something, okay, you are lighting a candle or anything, that is called it lit. What we will say? It lit. So bit and lit. Okay, pit. What is pit? ग्राउंड जिसके अंदर कोई एक छोटा सा खड्डा हो और उसके अंदर, दैट इज कॉल्ड द खड्डा, दैट इज कॉल्ड पिट. ओके, व्हाट वी विल से? पिट. ओके, it pit. And we are doing this. We are sitting on a chair, on a table, or on a bed. So that is called it sit. It sit. Okay. And we have done on this yoga day. Okay. Some of the exercise, some of yoga to keep ourselves fit and fine. Okay. So that is called.
I'm doing my mama.
You are doing with your mama. That is very good, Kia. So it fit. Okay. It fit. Again, I will do the. We will read the all words, and then one by one, I will tell you to read the words. Okay. So, which are the three which are the three families which we have learned? Tell me those three families. Three families we have learned.
A-E-I.
No, families of I. I families, three family we have learned. I family क्या है?
A-E-I. A-E-I-O-U.
No, we have learned today it, ib, and ip. I-T, it, I-B, ib, and I-P, ip. These three families we have learned. Again, I-B, ib, ib, bib, ib, nib, ib, rib. Then I-P is ip, dip, sip, hip, lip, tip, drip, and zip. Then we have learned it family. It, hit, it bit, it lit, it bit, it sit, and it fit. Okay. Now one by one, I will ask you to read the word. We will start with Arab. Arab, you will read the word. Arab,
Yes, ma'am.
read this word.
Ba, bib.
Then next one.
Ba, nib.
Okay, very good. Now Ayansh, you will read. Ayansh.
Rib.
Again.
Rib.
Okay, Ayansh, good. Now Danish, you will read this word.
Sip.
Sip. And what about the first one? DIP.
Glass.
Dip. Now Gauri, you will read.
Apple.
Very good. Next one.
Apple.
Very nice. Hate, you will read. Hate. Hate.
Tip.
Rip. Okay. Now, Himay, are you there? Himay, read this word.
Zip. Zip.
Okay, and read this one also.
Tip.
Then,
Rib.
okay, very good. Now, Pia, you will read.
It.
उभी रे अबे बोल.
It hit. It hit.
Very good, Kia. Now, Khanak.
Even more.
One more, I'll give you next time.
Why?
Now, Khanak,
It's so
you-
easy.
I'll definitely give you once again chance. Okay, after finishing
Okay.
everybody, then I'll give you.
Thank you,
Khanak?
ma'am.
Yeah, Khanak. Khanak, are you there? Please read the word. Khanak. Ah. Yes. Okay. Now next word will read by Nivan. Nivan, you will read this. Sit. Okay, sit and sit. Okay. Now, Paki, you will read this. Very good, Paki. Read this one also, Paki. Sit. Okay, very good. Now, Prayag, read this, Prayag.
Beep. Nip.
Very good. Bib and nip. Good. Now, Shlok, you will read.
It. Baita.
क्या बोल रहा है?
Read.
Raita.
Ra, E, it's ba. B ka sound ba hai, so it's rib. Now read this word. Shlok.
Da ipa. Dib. Sa ipa. Sip.
Okay. Now Chivain, you will read, bacha.
It. Hip. It. Lip.
Okay, good. Vedika, you will read.
Tape.
Hmm?
Red.
Okay, very good. Now, Yanvi, you will read this. Yanvi.
Ka. It.
Hmm?
Ka. It.
Very good, very good. Now, Kia, you can read this word. Kia,
Yes, ma'am.
read.
Hip. Hip.
Then next,
Hip. Lip.
very good. And the next,
Ip. Tip.
hmm?
Ip. Rip.
Okay.
The. Ip. Sip.
Okay, Kia. Very good. Well done. So, class, here we have learned IT, IB, and IP words. Okay?
Bye, ma'am.
No bye. Wait. Who told you bye? Huh? Who was that? No bye. So, we have learned this many words. Now, okay. Do you remember the words? Can you tell me a new word? A new word from IT IT family? IT IT family, you can write in the chat box. IT family words, can you find any new word which was not in the PPT? Can anybody tell me?
Deep, ma'am, deep.
Deep is a DIP, deep. I was asking. Okay, somebody has written kit and wit. Okay, kit is to write what is wit. That is WIT wit, not VIT wit. Anybody else can tell? I'm asking IT words, not AT words. Or what you have written, Shlok? Bit, fit, hit, kit, lit, pit, sit. This we have already done. Okay, chalo, let's ask the older one. Okay? You have to tell me a word, zit. What is zit, Khanak? But you have tried, that is good. Tit. Tit to tat. Okay. Now tell me a word from AT, at family. At family. AT. Some new word, huh? I want to know the new word. AT, I was saying. At. Cat is the very common word. You have to find a new word, something different one. Sla at a slat, cho at a chat, va at a vat, hat, okay. What is TY, Khanak? Typing anything in the chat box. Now you all know how to type in the chat. No. Flat is correct. Himay, you are presenting the screen, bacha. Please stop presenting the screen. Himay. Okay. That is correct. Flat is correct. Anybody else can write anything else? Chat, you are, yes, chat is also correct. So see, this is the normal thing whenever you are reading the words from A family, E family, and now as we have started with I family, try to read some new words, find out some new words from those family. If you will find new words, you will know it and you can pronounce it very correctly. Okay, the common word had, met, read, fed. This is to all you are aware from LKG. But now as you are in UKG, try to find out a new words. Okay, we can do one thing. I will, if you find any new words, you can tell me in the class and we can appreciate you in the class for that, finding a new word. Okay, we can start with that. You have to, every day you have to find a new word. Okay, for the A family, E family, or even you can find it for I family. Okay, class? So now I am ending here our English class. Next class is your Hindi class. Take the worksheet with you and sit with pencil, eraser and the worksheet. Okay? Chalo, bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.